Hi, my name is Brett, and I would like to introduce you to the Sidewinder Pro Extreme. It's a portable hand, wrist, and forearm roller with adjustable resistance. Athletes like myself can benefit largely from maximal gripping if their hands and forearms are both strong and dexterous. The Pro Extreme will help increase forearm strength and size and will help prevent injuries. The Sidewinder Pro Extreme replaces exercises like the hammer curls or wrist rolling that people try to throw in after their arm workouts if they remember. Rope and weight plate rollers are effective, but they have their drawbacks. If you need to increase the weight, you have to change out the plates. Also, there's only one range of motion. But with the Pro Extreme, you use different positions and ROMs. For example, you can hold the Sidewinder horizontally out in front of you, vertically, 45 degrees in front, and behind the back. With imagination, you can create your own movements. Additionally, the tension of the Sidewinder can be quickly and easily adjusted clockwise to increase resistance or counterclockwise to decrease resistance. It's like having a whole selection of weight plates at your disposal wherever you are. With a simple squeeze and twist motion, you get consistent resistance in both directions. Rotate forward or reverse. Use one hand or two. The handles rotate smoothly and silently, underhand and overhand. You can also rotate endlessly in one direction, keeping the same resistance. All of this sets the Sidewinder apart from competing rollers. The 2-inch diameter fat grip handles forces you to engage more muscle fibers than you usually would compared to a regular size handle or bar. The Pro Extreme is handmade in the US from rust-resistant tubing, milled aluminum, and tear-resistant rubber to make it easy for anyone to obtain the edge they need to perform their best at the activities they love.